Again, write each sentence, add a comma where it's needed, circle the connection word or the connecting word. So here we should circle each connecting word and we must put comma before it. So the number 1, some cowboys rode beside the cows and others rode behind them. So we have here connecting word, the first sentence, it is some cowboys rode beside the cows. So this first sentence, the another sentence is others rode behind them, because each one of them has subject and has an action. So we say that connecting words are and, or, but. So here in the first sentence we have and. So this is the connecting word. What must we write before and? We must put a comma. Can you see that? Comma then and. Sentence number 2. There were no roads, but there were trails. Connecting words are and, but, or. We must circle now but and would be before but comma. Why? Because it's connect two sentences. The first one, there were no roads. The second sentence, there were trails. Question number 3. Cows would get lost and the cowboys would look for them. So the connecting word is and. We circle it and we put comma before it because it's connect two sentences. The first, cows would get lost. The second sentence, the cowboys would look for them. Number 4. Longhorns could swim, but some of cowboys couldn't. But some of the cowboys couldn't. So the connecting word is but. We must circle it and use comma before it because it connects two sentences together. Let us now move to the second one. Question number B. Use the words in brackets and the comma to combine each pair of sentences. Write the new sentence. Every summer we get together. Grandpa tells us stories. So we have and. Where will we use and? Put in your mind. We will put the word and at the period of the first sentence. Because we will erase this period, we will put instead of its comma, then we will use and, as declared to you here. We erase the comma, we erase the period. We use and grandpa, it must start with now here, small letter. Question number 2. The night is cold. We get warm by the campfire. So we must use but. Let us go, but we will use it here in the place of the period of the first sentence. We will erase it, then we will put a comma, then but. It must start with a small letter. Number 3. We huddle together. We don't say a word. And we should erase now the period. We will put a comma, then word. And don't forget we in the first word in the second sentence to start with a small letter. Question number 4. Cindy likes the scary stories. I like the funny ones better. But we will use it in the place of the period. Erase it, put a comma, then put a but. And it will be capital letter at all cases. I with capital letter in all cases. Question number 5. Grandpa uses different voices. He acts out all the parts. We will use and in the place of the period. We erase it, we put a comma, then and. He often tells the same stories. We like hearing them again. He often tells the same story. Erase the period, put comma, but, and it must start with a small letter. Question C. Complete the sentence with your idea, add a comma where it's needed. We will use now your mind. Rick wants to be a cowboy, but we have here but, and we have I. That means we will start the complete sentence. That means we must use the comma, first of all. But I, for example, want to be teacher. Cowboys eat beans, but I eat. First of all, we must use a comma. Then I eat what? Pizza. Yeah. Cowboy likes a hot bath. And I. You must use the comma before and because and here it connects now complete sentence. And I what? I do too. That means also I like a hot bath. Number 10. Cowboys work outdoors and and I what? Like to be outside too. Thanks so much, boys and girls.